Hello, this is Dr. Bradley, Behavioral Health Director with Tri-Area Community Health and licensed clinical psychologist. As part of Technology and Health Month, I'm here to talk a little bit about what a peer-reviewed article is. This matters because of the amount of mis and disinformation and the increasingly difficult challenge of knowing what's true and what's not. So we have lots of quality controls to include things that we consume in our body, like food and other things such as transportation. Our automobiles are inspected. We have quality control systems for our medications that people take, lots of different things. And this essentially a peer review process is quality control of research. So if we look at the infographic for the article section, so these peer-reviewed articles include a summary of the topic, what they did in the study, the results, discussion of the results and why it matters, and the authors then submit that article for publication in a peer-reviewed journal. A peer is an expert in the area of study who is identified by the journal editor. Many times there are reviewers that are regular reviewers of that journal, because journals they're usually specific in their focus, their academic or research focus, but sometimes they ask other peers to review these articles if it's a rather unique topic that falls someone outside of the regular reviewer's expertise. So there are usually at least a couple of peers, sometimes more depending on the journal, that review that article, and then it can either be accepted, it can be conditionally accepted and the conditions can be a lot of different things, or it can be rejected. If it's accepted, then it's published in a peer-reviewed journal. Often, especially if it's novel results or something that may be questionable, then other researchers will try to replicate that research to ensure that whatever the phenomena that they identified is true, and if they get the same results. Many journals also have a comment section with where other people who have knowledge of that area or expertise in that area can publish their own comments about that research. So coming back around to why this is important, knowing how to assess quality in what you read. So there's a lot of things out there that have no quality controls. So we've done a good job maybe with food and automobiles when it comes to quality control and other things, but what we haven't done is do a good amount of quality control with the information that is shared with the public. And so if you really want to get to the bottom of something and you wonder about something you read in a news article or on social media, then maybe try to take a look closer to the source of that information, which is almost always in a peer-reviewed article, especially if it's noteworthy research. So that's all I have for today. Hope this was helpful. Take care. Bye.